Ever stared at the Springboard submission error screen and felt the frustration rising? Let's dissect why these errors happen, how to fix them, and get you back on track to claiming those badges. We're aiming for a smooth submission every time. Firstly, common culprits: a simple one, a slow or unstable internet connection. Springboard needs a solid connection to upload your work. Look for a reliable Wi-Fi or use a wired connection. This is also where you can refresh your web browser after a stable connection is available. Next, file format and size. Verify that your file type aligns with what Springboard expects, usually PDFs, Word documents, or specific code formats. Also, check the file size limit, which is often stated on the task details page and within the platform. Are you under the file limits? Moving on to the details, carefully review the instructions and assessment requirements. Did you include everything the task demanded? Missing components can absolutely trigger an error. Confirm that all required fields are completed and that you haven't left something out. Now to troubleshooting. If you've checked everything, try refreshing the page. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Even a simple browser restart can work wonders. Still facing issues? Contact the Springboard support team. They have the expertise to help with platform-specific problems. The sooner you contact them, the faster you can get help. Remember, detailed information about the error, submission, and the type of assessment greatly helps them support you better. Happy learning, and keep submitting successfully.